The Garmin Fenix 7 and its counterpart, the Garmin Epix Pro, remain some of the most acclaimed Garmin watches ever crafted. After much anticipation, exciting news about the Garmin Fenix 8 has finally emerged. Early details have surfaced through a Finnish online store listing, and the release date seems to be confirmed. In this video, we'll dive into everything we know so far about the upcoming Garmin Fenix 8 series. Florian from Fitness Tracker Test has uncovered a major leak on the Finnish online store Multitronic, revealing exciting details about the highly anticipated Garmin Fenix 8. According to this leak, the new Garmin watch is set to launch in September 2024, marking a significant event for both fitness enthusiasts and tech aficionados. The leak indicates that the Fenix 8 will come in three sizes: 43mm, 47mm, and 51mm, maintaining the variety seen with the current Fenix 7 to suit different wrist sizes and preferences. Color options listed include slate gray, steel, and black, with a hint that the black variant might feature a black band. An intriguing twist from Florian's analysis is the possibility that Garmin might retire the Epix name and standardize the Amoled screen across all Fenix 8 models. This would be a major upgrade from the Fenix 7's low-resolution MIP screen, offering users a more vibrant, high-contrast display for improved readability and a modern look. Florian also hints at a more budget-friendly model, the Garmin Fenix E, which might retain the MIP screen to keep costs down while still delivering the core features that make Garmin watches popular. However, this model remains unconfirmed in the leak. While specific pricing details are still under wraps, Florian's blog speculates on some potential updates. A slight enhancement to the Amoled screen, an upgraded heart rate sensor for better accuracy, and the integration of AI into Garmin Connect could be on the horizon. These updates would help Garmin stay competitive with the Apple Watch Ultra 2 and other adventure watches. Additionally, a solar model featuring Garmin's Power Glass technology could be a valuable addition, provided Garmin can adapt it to work with the Amoled display. Stay tuned as more concrete details emerge closer to the launch date, and we'll keep you updated on everything the Garmin Fenix 8 series has to offer. That's all we have for now on the upcoming Garmin Fenix 8 series. With so many exciting possibilities, it's clear that Garmin is set to make a significant impact in the fitness and tech world. What are your thoughts on the potential upgrades and new features? Are you excited about the possibility of an Amoled screen and a budget-friendly model? Drop your comments below and let us know what you're hoping to see in the Fenix 8. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest news and reviews. Thanks for watching.